boys and girls. It's Mommy's Day on Sunday. Everyone sit down and make Mommy something yummy. Yummy in my tummy, yummy, yummy. Oh, Brittany, what are you making? Pizza. Let's get cooking. Everybody's cooking. Let's get cooking for Mommy, for Mama's Day. Let's get cooking. Everybody. What is that? Broccoli. Cooking, guys. Let's get cooking. Everybody's cooking. Let's get cooking with Mommy for Mommy's Day. Let's get cooking. Everybody's cooking. Yummy. Oh, yummy in my tummy. Sing it. Yummy in my tummy. Yummy, yummy. What are you making, Giovanni? What are you making, Giovanni? Pizza. Ari, what are you making? Fruit salad. Sing. Let's get cooking. Everybody's cooking. Let's get cooking for Mommy for Mother's Day. Let's get cooking. Everybody's cooking. This looks delicious. What is this? Let's get cooking. Everybody cooking. Let's get cooking for Mommy's Day. Let's get cooking. Good, Emma. I love it. Emma's doing beautifully. Sing. Let's get cooking. Everybody's. What are you making? Yummy. Icing the cupcakes. Let's get cooking. Everybody's cooking. Let's get cooking for Mama's Day. Yummy in my tummy. Feed Yummy. Yummy. Oh, he's hungry. He's so hungry. Yummy in my tummy. Yummy, yummy. Oh, it's Yummy. Oh, he's hungry. I like sausages. I like sausages. I like chips. What do you got on, baby girl? Let's get cooking. Yummy, yummy in my tummy. Sing. Oh, I love it. I love that pizza, Giovanni. Yeah. How many pieces of pizza are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many pepperonis? 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's get cooking. Everybody's cooking. Let's get cooking for Mommy, for Mama's Day. Let's get cooking. What are you making, David? Cooking. Oh, cook the crab. Cook the crab. Let's get cooking. Everybody's cooking. Let's get cooking. Oh, I love this. Who made this? This is delicious. This is making me so hungry. Oh, and blueberries too. Let's get cooking. Everybody's cooking. Let's get cooking for Mama's Day. Oh, Yummy's over here. He's hungry. Yummy in my tummy. Yummy, 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 yum, yum, yum. Say yummy, yummy. Yummy in my tummy. Say, I like pizza. What are you saying? Say it, say it. What are you singing? I like tomatoes. What are you putting in there? Chung, what is that?
A hot dog.
I like tomatoes. Sing it. I like, be gentle. Look at Emma. I like crab. I like croissant. Oh, very yummy. Okay, let's clean up.